Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a Sudoku with 4 stars. In this additional of today's newspaper on Monday, yes, new week, new puzzles, Monday, October the 24th, 2022. I've already solved one puzzle, the Sudoku with 3 stars. 3 puzzles are left, the binary, the tectonic with 4 stars, and now it's time for the Sudoku with 4 stars. A number, this will be number 5376. All right, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one less than the previous Sudoku. 24. Yes, we have here 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? I do not know. We will see if this is really a 4 star. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s. We have here 2 2s, 2 3s, 3 4s. 1 2 3 5s, 3 6s, 3 7s, 3 8s, and 3 9. So it's divided. All right, let me start with 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left for the 4 should be there. The 8 in the last column, the 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 9. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 and 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9. And look, we have a 9 and a 6 in this big square. So no 9 and 6 in this box. 9 and 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 9 and 6, 9 and 6. We have a 6 in the middle column. No 6 there. 6 should be here and a 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for number 3. All right. Then. Let me see. 8. Well. Okay. 8. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in the middle row, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be there. Alright. The 1 in this column, the 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then 7, 5, 2. Let me think. 6, 7, 3. Yeah, I'm scanning. 2. 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 1, 3, 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the last row. No 3 there, 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. Let me mark those two boxes. That means 1 digit left in this row for the number 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Let me mark those two boxes. 2 and a 5. Alright. Okay. 6, 6, 5, 5, 5 in this column. 5 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these. A 3 box, so 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. 7. 7. Okay. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have an 8 in the first row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 8, 8, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Alright. I'm thinking. Yeah. 7, 2, 2, 2. Not the 8. 8, 8, 8. 8, 8. Yeah. The 7 in the first row, the 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7, 7, 7, 7. 6, 6. 3, 3. 3. Yeah. 5, 7. Yeah. 9. We have a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 9. We have a 2 and a 9 in this row, so no 2 and a 9 in these two boxes. We have a 2 and a 9 in this column, so no 2 and a 9 in those 3 boxes. The 2 and a 9 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair in this big square. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and a 9. Okay, so now we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. And let me see. 3. About 1. We have a pair. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 7. Well, no. 2 of those missing numbers in these 4 boxes in this big square are the numbers 1 and a 7. We have a 1 and a 7 in this column, so no 1 and a 7 in this box. We have a 1 and a 7 in the middle row, so no 1 and a 7 in that box. The 1 and the 7 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. So the other pair in this big square, the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. The 4 goes there. Alright. 3. So two numbers left in this in this column. Four numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. Let me mark those. 4 and the 6, 2 and the 9. Okay, 2, 9, and 3. And the 1 is missing here. 1, 1. Yeah. 4. I'm scanning. 3. 3. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column, the third column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the middle row, no 3 there, 3 should be there, 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 3 should be there, and I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, we have a 9 now in the middle row, so no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 2 goes and there. Yeah. 6, 6. 5, 5, 5, 4, 4. Why 8, 8. 1, 7, 2. Ooh, 2, 2. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm thinking. 2, 5, and 2, 5, and 2, 5, and 3. 3, 3. 8. Come on. This is taking too long. 9, 9. Ay. 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in the third column. One of the missing numbers is 1. Well, we have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. So the 1 in the third column could be here, could be there. We see another 1 in the third row, so no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in the last column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in the second row. No 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. Alright. So we have a 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So the third row, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. We see a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. And here 9 in the second column, no 9 there. Only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can't see. This is number 1, number 9. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can't see. This is number 2, number 3. 2 numbers left in the middle column, the 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5 are missing. Well, we have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 2 goes and there. So 1 is left in this big square for number 2. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Well. 2 and 5, 2, 5, and the 4. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 2, 4, 5, 2, 5, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, and look, we have a 2 and a 5 in this row, so no 2 and a 5 in this box. The 2 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as paired. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in the third column for number 4. One box left in this big square for number 5. So we have a 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column. So the column between second column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the third row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 5. Then one. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in the third row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 4 and the 6, we have a 4 now in the first row. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 1 box left in the first row for number. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have an 8 in the second row. So no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Then 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column. No 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 6. 1 box left in the middle row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Then 2 missing numbers in the second column for the numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. The 1 goes there. 1 and the 7. We have a 1 now in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 5, no 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And 8 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this again. 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I'm faster than 20 minutes. So it's just 2 stars puzzle. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again later with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the tectonic. Until then, bye-bye for now.